use zucchini from our garden. I pick them at about 4 to 6 inches so that it produces more, because when you pick them small, it keeps on producing faster and more zucchini. Our food processor just recently broke, so we're going to be hand shredding our zucchini today. Okay, so a lot of times zucchini is very wet and has a lot of moisture in it, so we're going to dump it onto a paper towel and bring it to a sink and squeeze out the moisture.
For the zucchini bread, you'll need 1½ cups of shredded zucchini, 1 3/4 cups of bread flour, 2 eggs, ½ cup of milk, ½ cup of honey or maple syrup, your choice, 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, or you could use olive oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, ½ teaspoon of stevia, ½ tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix together maple syrup or honey and melted coconut oil. We used a mixture of both maple syrup and honey in ours. Add the eggs and beat well. Add the milk, baking soda, cinnamon, vanilla, salt, and nutmeg. Stir in shredded zucchini and then add flour and stevia until combined. Pour batter into loaf pan with parchment paper. There we go.
Okay, can you see us both? Here we go.
I can't see the
We get along great. I know everybody out there gets along great with our children, and so do we.